An input question encompasses a variety of open-ended prompts that allow the test taker to respond using various input methods, such as short or long text, numeric values, rich content, audio or video recordings, code, file uploads, taking a photo, and filling a table. This tutorial will show you how to use each type of open-ended question. First, to create an input question, navigate to the question bank and select the red plus icon at the bottom right corner of the page. Then, choose Input Question from the options provided. The Input Question editor will open. Start by crafting the question prompt, such as, "What city is the capital of France?" Next, select the Answer tab to configure how the question will be answered. You will see a variety of options available, each allowing the test taker to respond in a different format. Each input type offers additional configuration options. For example, all text-based input types provide an option to display a virtual keyboard to help test takers input their answers using a preferred keyboard layout. Lastly, take note of the preview panel at the bottom of the page that allows you to preview how each input type functions. This will aid in ensuring that the question we are creating operates as intended. I will now examine each input type in detail. The text field input type presents the test taker with a single-line text field to input their answer. You can also establish validation or auto-evaluation rules to restrict the answers and have them automatically evaluated by the system. On the other hand, the text area input type offers a multi-line area for entering the answer. The numeric input type is tailored to collect numerical answers. Regional settings can be configured to format the number value. As the system validates that the answer is a number, it allows for the creation of number-based auto-evaluation rules where the submitted number can be compared, and the correctness of the answer is calculated automatically. The rich text editor input type allows the test taker to answer the question by creating content using the provided rich content editor. The audio recorder input type enables the test taker to answer the question by recording their voice using the voice recorder. You can configure the number of attempts allowed for recording and the maximum recording duration. Similarly, the video recorder input type allows the test taker to respond to the question by recording a video using their webcam. The video recorder has similar options, such as setting the maximum number of attempts and the maximum recording duration. The code editor input type presents a code editor with pre-populated content, and the test taker is required to write code using the specified programming language. The file uploader input type requires the test taker to upload a file as their answer to the question. The Take a Photo input type allows the test taker to answer the question by capturing a photo using their webcam. For instance, you can ask the test taker to photograph a written answer on a physical piece of paper. The tabular input type allows you to construct a table and specify the cells that you expect the test taker to fill in the specified format. I hope this overview of the various input types available for open-ended questions has been helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another tutorial.